How's it going? This is Daniel Bussius. In this review, I'm going to show you Fix Your Funnel. And so the cool thing about Fix Your Funnel is that it integrates beautifully with Infusionsoft, and it does a lot of really cool things. I'm going to show you a couple of things that it does, and then I'm going to kind of dive a little bit deeper into one specific one, which is the text messaging. But before we get to the text messaging, I want to show you some of the other things that Fix Your Funnel can do. And one of them is funnel bots. And so what's cool with this is there's all these different kind of abilities that you can actually add affiliate names into custom fields with Fix Your Funnel. It can give you the average for numbers. It can calculate balance due for you. It can do all these different kind of cool things. It can count up tags to see how many people have a specific number of a tag and then input it into a custom field. So it's got all these different things that a lot of people I don't even think realize that Fix Your Funnel can do. And that, by the way, is under the funnel bots section in Fix Your Funnel. The other area that I'm going to show you real quick is that Fix Your Funnel can do incoming call handling, and it also has dialers. So if you have a sales team and you've got multiple phone numbers, you can have those numbers routed to specific sales reps, and then you can actually have a dialer in which your sales reps can do outbound calls and text messages, and then tag based off of what happened, like, oh, I left a message, or this person's not interested, and it'll place tags inside of Infusionsoft, which is really slick because that'll automate your campaigns, and that'll also give you reporting inside of Infusionsoft based off of what your sales reps are doing via the phone. Okay, so the last thing that I'm going to show you here in this quick overview is my favorite feature, and the one that I personally use a lot, which is the text messaging. And so Fix Your Funnel gives you the ability to basically broadcast text messages. You can do campaign builder text messages. You also have the ability to do multimedia messages. But the thing that I'm kind of excited about and I use most often is messaging conversations. And so and I'm sure you've done this before, where it says text, the word design or something to a specific phone number, and then it starts to respond to you. So this is all integrated with Infusionsoft. So once someone starts a conversation with you, it can actually pull information and then put it into Infusionsoft and then automate the campaign, or kick off the campaign, I guess I should say. So let me show you one of them. And so right here, this is how you can actually build the text message right in Fix Your Funnel. And so if someone actually texted the word contract to this phone number right here that you're seeing, then you can actually write out the responses and then ask them questions. And then if they respond with the first name, then it starts to save it into Infusionsoft. And then basically you can tag them. And then the tag will kick off a campaign inside of Infusionsoft, which is pretty darn amazing. And so this works really, really well if you're doing a presentation at a conference, or if you're running an ad or something, and it's like, hey, text such and such word to this phone number, and then you can basically build this bot to calculate all the information or calculate specific things, grab that information, put it into Infusionsoft, and launch campaigns. So I know this is a really fast overview, but I hope you found some value in it.